Hey YouTube, today I'm going to give an update on a little project that I've had going on for quite some time. And I did a video a while back, it's been a while now, on a little Colt Trooper 38 Special that I picked up. It was in really rough condition, and I'm doing this the most unconventional way here. I'm going to show you pictures because I don't have the gun right here in front of me yet. I should be going to pick it up tomorrow or so, but this is what we started off with, folks. It was a nickel plated. We believe it was nickel plated. He's starting to think it was hard chromed, but it was a 38 Special. It was an old style Colt Trooper, and I'm doing a little restoration project on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click through these pictures here and on this computer, and I'm going to show you some of the progress this thing's come through. It's been 8 or 9 months or so since this thing's been going, and it has really been hard because of this plating that's been on it. So let's go into the next picture, and that's what it was when it was tore down, just taken apart. And as you can see, it's just, just a hard chrome plated or nickel plated gun here. And if you notice really close up here by the hammer, it's got a really small hammer on it, and that's important. So there's the back side of the hammer, and you can see all the pitting in the finish work there. And we'll just keep moving. There's all the parts taken apart as it's stripped all down and everything. Here's the frame all the way stripped down. I'm gonna go through these as quick as I can. Now here's the barrel that we're gonna fit in. And if folks remember, I restored, for a young lady, I restored a Colt Python, and we sourced out another barrel and rebarreled it because I wasn't happy with the roll mark. So we decided to fit that barrel onto this gun because we thought it would look cool. So there's the barrel being held up next to it. And here's the actual starting of the fitting the barrel onto it, the Python barrel. And there's the other side. There it is where it says Python 357 Mag. It's hard to see from this picture here, but when it gets refinished, you'll be able to see it. And there's how a close-up of it fitting to the frame. Now, I'm just going to run through these real quick. These are just the rough finish of it. Now, here's the cylinder. What we did here is we converted this gun over to a 357 Magnum, and that's not something that's very easy to do, and it's not something that a beginner can do. But a special tool has to be used. You have to bore out the cylinder, and you have to make sure everything's good to go. But the gun is now a 357 Magnum instead of just a 38 Special. So now, if you'll look right here, the hammer, we fitted another hammer into it. It's a wide spur knurled hammer, sort of like the old vintage Pythons had on them. But the difference is this one will have the firing pin on the hammer instead of having an internal mounted firing pin, which I think is kind of cool because it'll look like a Python hammer, but it'll have like the old style Smith & Wesson firing pin on it, because some of the old Colts had those on there. So it'll be different. It'll just be like kind of like a one of a kind, one off thing. And anyway, that's where we're at with it, folks. It's coming home hopefully tomorrow, and I do have some pictures of what the finished product looked like just on pictures. I'm not going to reveal those because I think it would be better if I just showed the entire gun when I reveal it. So anyway, folks, let me know what you think about this project. I know it's been a while. I haven't updated anybody on it, but this is going to be really neat. It's going to be a cool looking gun, I believe. And I call it saving a gun. This coating on this thing, this plating, has really been a bear. I mean, you have to use electrolysis to get it off, and basically you have to blue the gun, see where your spots are still left on there, and just a nightmare, folks, but it's going to turn out really awesome. Let me know what you think, and you folks have a great day.